Dear student, we are discussing Great Depression 2020. The International Monetary Fund issued a stark warning on Tuesday about coronavirus economic toll, saying that world is facing its worst downturn since Great Depression, as shattered factory quarantines and national lockdown causes economic output to be collapsed. The grim forecast underscored the magnitude of the shock that the pandemic has inflicted on both advanced and developed economies, and the daunting task that policymakers face in containing the fallout, with country already hoarding medical supplies and international travels curtailed. The International Monetary Fund warned the crisis threatened to reverse decades of gains from globalization. In the World Economic Outlook, the International Monetary Fund projected the golden economy would contract by 3% in 2020, an extraordinary reversal from early this year, when the fund forecast the world economy would outpace 2019 and grow by 3.3%. This year, fall in output would be far more severe than last recession, when the world economy contracted by less than 1% between 2008 and 2009. As countries implemented necessary quarantines and social distances practice to contain the pandemic, the world has put in a great lockdown, said Geeta Gopinath, the International Monetary Fund chief economist. The magnitude and speed of collapse in activity that has followed is unlikely anything experienced in our lifetime. According to International Monetary Fund, the global economy contraction from 1929 to 1932 was approximately 10%. Advanced economies shrank by 16% during that period. Governments around the world are grappling with how and when to reopen parts of their economies in hope of reviving business activity. For developing countries like India, it will be very difficult to put entire country to hold, as it will cause a shattered economy and can create the falling effect. The continuous lockdown could affect in terms of financial crisis for government around the world. High level of unemployment due to disturbance in demand and supply channel and financial crisis effects on infrastructure means less job. Effect on export, as a larger part of world will face financial crisis affecting balance of payment. Small and medium scale industries will be affected and countries will have to give bailout packages. But the economic recovery is expected to slow until government and people are confident it is safe. Even if spending starts to bottom in April, we see little chance of meaningful pickup activity in immediate future. The bottom of the current downturn will occur until June at the earliest. The coronavirus will cause the deepest post-war recession in history of world. This is crisis like no other, and there is substantial uncertainty about its impact on people, lives and livelihood. Lot depends on epidemiology of the virus, the effectiveness of containment measures and development therapies and vaccine, all of which are hard to predict. In addition, many countries now face multiple crises: health crisis, financial crisis, and collapse in commodity price, which interact in complex way. Policymakers are providing unprecedented support to households, firms, and financial market. And while this is crucial for strong recovery, there is considerable uncertainty about what the economic landscape will look like when we emerge from this lockdown. Under the assumption that pandemic and required containment peaks in the second quarter for most countries in the world and recedes in second half of this year, in April World Economic Outlook, we project global growth in 2020 to fall to minus 3%. This downgrade of 6.3 percent points from January 2020. A major revision over last a very short period. This makes the Great Lockdown the world's worst recession since the Great Depression and far worse than global financial crisis. Please send your comment what you expected from this depression 2020. Can it will be worse than the 1929? Comment your opinion about the same.